Ideal Window Solutions is a family-run and owned company. The reason we've been so successful is we really listen to customers' needs and requirements.
KJM have been established for over 36 years. We've always strived to be an upfront, honest company that goes out our way to source the best products that are on the marketplace.
M+ started 41 years ago as T&K Home Improvements, and now we work with approximately 150 installers all around the country.
T&K is still a family-run business with the ethos very much on quality and service and looking after the customer.
So as a business, I need to be able to be very clear and concise on what we are offering our customers and to be able to give them informed information regarding the different options available to them is really important to us.
The Planitherm Comfort range of glass provides the homeowner with a user-friendly guide to choose the most suitable glass for their home.
After us fitting the Comfort glass, for example, which helps reduce traffic noise by 20%, we've had several customers come back to us and then ask us to change all of the glass in all of their windows and their properties.
We've certainly noticed that there's an increase in people looking for the security of the glass, something they don't consider before.
I think it's great that the three choices of the Comfort range, just put it in layman's terms so the homeowner understands without bamboozling them with U values and G values and things like that. So it's worked really well with our customers and with M+.
So as a Planitherm Network member, we benefit from plenty of marketing support, which is great because it means that we've got literature in the form of brochures that we can pass out to our customers as and when they come into the showroom.
We can point customers to the website as well to give them an external point of reference so they can verify the information that we're giving to them.
We also have training specifically for our salespeople, which is going to instill confidence in them, so when it comes to talking to the homeowner, we're passing all of the correct, accurate information on to them.
I would highly recommend using the Planitherm Network to other fabricators and installers just because you're able to give a more transparent offering to the retail customer base in a very clear and concise manner.
It's helped us as a business grow our glass side of the business, and it's helped our installers grow organically as well.
I would say look into the Planitherm Network and use it to your advantage. It's great to be able to talk to a customer about something different, open up a line of conversation about more than just the standard window and door products that we all talk about.
Not only does it bring great value to your business, but also in products that you're supplying and installing, and therefore passing that down to the end user, the homeowner.